Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Updated platform build 2. 1. A real-time data feed and 6 months of cleaned price/volume history. Once you have that, create a new indicator workspace and import the Elephant Edge indicator file. You will map the indicator inputs to your feed: price, volume, and an ATR period. Make sure to set ATR to 14 and smoothing to 0. 5. This gets you into the first actionable state, where the indicator can compute live signals. You now configure the core parameters that determine edge sensitivity and signal timing. Adjust ATR to 14 with 0. 5. Smoothing so volatility scaling matches your asset. Once done, set signal thresholds 0. 8 for entries 0. 3 for exits and tie them to volume filters. Then assign alert actions: pop-up for screen, email for mobile, and webhook for automation. Make sure to backtest across recent 3 markets to validate threshold choice before going live. Finish by running a 30-day forward simulation using simulated orders to observe slippage and execution behavior. You should compare indicator signals to manual chart review and tweak thresholds, or ATR, if patterns diverge. Once stable, enable live mode with reduced size. If you encounter lag, missing bars, or mismatched signals, check the data feed, timestamps, and time zone alignment first. That single step fixes most issues. If problems persist, restart the platform and reapply the indicator settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.